Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add shadow to text in GIMP. First, use the text tool to create desired text. Align the text using alignment tool for precision. Right-click on the text layer and choose Discard Text Information to convert it into an image layer. Ensure the layer size match image size by going to Layer and then Layer to Image Size. Right-click on the text layer and choose Alpha to Selection to select only pixels containing text. Go to Select and then Grow and add few pixels to selection, for example 10. Now go to Layer and then New Layer and fill the selection with black using Bucket Fill tool. Drag the shadow layer below the text layer. Use the Move tool to move the shadow layer and create desired shadow effect. Now, go to Filters, Blur and Gaussian Blur to soften shadow. Adjust the blur radius. When you're done, click OK. If the shadow is too dark, change the opacity for shadow to achieve desired darkness. Lower opacity for lighter shadow or set it to 0 to remove shadow entirely. Fine-tune the shadow settings to your preference. Save your project or export it and you're done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.